Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this effect in UE5.3 Niagara and I'll put the file on my Patreon as usual. You can check and download and check. And let's start this. So let's create this. So first I'll create a Niagara. I'll take my favorite fountain, effects. Okay, so this will be like, okay, I will rename it later. So it has this, what I need just spawn 4 or 5 particles, maybe 5. And I don't need any shape, or maybe I'll just take the torus or just a very lower radius. I don't need gravity and in the velocity. I just need point velocity, maybe 200. So these 5 particles emitting from the center and going